Masaya maging MSP dahil marami akong nakilalang mga kaibigan na passionate din sa technology at syempre marami akong natutunan. Kahit stressful siya, marami akong napala na lamang bago sa field ko. At syempre marami ring perks at benefits, but beyond that, I become a better person as a whole.
Marami kang nami-meet na people pag pupunta ka sa iba-ibang school. Minsan may mga opportunity kang makapag-travel sa iba-ibang parte ng Pilipinas.
Magiging updated na techie ka and masishare mo yung knowledge mo with other people.
You get to meet new people, tapos maging kaibigan mo sila. Kasi ako, I'm from Bulacan. Tapos maging kaibigan mo from UP, Ateneo, UST. Di ba? That's new. Di ba? As a Microsoft student partner, hindi mo makukuha yun basta-basta.
You get the chance na ma-represent mo yung school mo. Then at the same time, you share the same passion dun sa mga taong nakakasama mo.
Marami kang matututunan, more on technology. You meet a lot of people from IT industry din. Masaya kasi magturo sa mga estudyante na kung ano yung dapat matutunan on the latest trends on IT technology.
You get to meet other people from different schools. You get to share your interests, your hobbies. You get to play with the latest tech, and of course, you get to have loads of fun.
You get to meet a lot of people, other MSPs from different schools, get to interact with them, tsaka to visit their school. Para syempre, di ba, masayang bonding.
Yung mga great minds sa field, makikilala mo sila. On a bunch of strangers, yung mga kasama mong MSPs, sila yung magiging pamilya mo na rin.
Kasi updated ka sa technology.
Masaya kasi makapag-expand sa field.
Kasi pwede kang mag-campus tour. Marami kang makikilala.
Tama, makikinig sila sa'yo, tapos namimigay ng mga free software. Kaya masaya maging
makikilala, maraming events, maraming happenings, marami kang makikilala from different schools. Lahat ng mga bagong technology, alam mo.
You get to meet new people, you get to go new places, and you get insider information on the newest technology that Microsoft has to offer. Plus, you know the downside, the upside of what's new in the technological industry.
Dami yung network mo. Parang makakakilala ka ng students and professionals.
Dami kang mai-experience na hindi mo na-experience sa school lang. Ibig ko sabihin, educational. Maraming seminars na hindi lang siya totally seminar, pero kung di matututo ka, technically at saka syempre yung self-confidence mo.
Dahil sa dami ng talks na napuntahan ko, tumaas confidence ko.
Na-i-share mo yung knowledge mo and expertise mo sa ibang tao.
Yung passion mo sa technology, masashare mo. So hindi lang siya sa sarili mo, tapos masashare mo siya sa mga ibang students. Marami kang mamimit na friends from other universities. Tsaka mamimit mo rin yung magkakaroon ka ng connection sa mga iba't ibang professionals sa field natin, sa IT.
I get to be around people who share the same passion with technology as me.
Marami kang magiging kaibigan. Unlike kasi sa school namin, konti lang yung population namin as a student. So nung pumunta ako dito, parang mas nag-expand yung network ko. Masaya siya kasi you tend to socialize to other people naman na nung wala ka sa home.
You get to blend with a lot of people from different schools and different colleges. Yung experience ng being one family under one roof is really different than being separate people on separate schools. Kasi you get to learn how to interact better, you get to teach more people, and you get to reach out even further.
Siyempre, rockstar ka sa school nyo. At ikaw lang ang may privilege na maging speaker at i-share yung knowledge mo sa Microsoft sa school nyo.